We are more than happy to welcome 79 corporate partners this year, more than 50 speakers, more than 30 different universities here gathered in Österreich-Winkel, and we're happy to have here more than 1,000 students.
Die Vorbereitungen, die Durchführung, die Nachfeier, die Party, da wird man erwachsen im besten Sinne. Da wird man für die Wirtschaft von morgen gestärkt. Das Ganze ist eine Weiterbildung jenseits des eigentlichen Unterrichts.
It's great for me to come in contact to many young aspiring talents. So I think that's one of the core reasons to attend these kind of conferences for me as an entrepreneur.
EBS is a key priority university for us. It's a mixture of entrepreneurial mentality, openness, curiosity. My steady advice to your generation, to your students, is stay open, right? Stay curious, stay passionate for the topics you are doing, and have fun on the way, and then you can only be successful.
I think EBS is a very important university for us. It is very special positioned, and what I really love is that here young people are educated, they get help to be leaders in the world after they have done their university education.
And the students keeping up this consistency year after year, making it even better in some cases. So I really give it a huge applause to all the students who have put this show.
Leading tomorrow, this is a really good topic for your symposium, and I think it's outstanding in Germany. I think there is no reason to be afraid for the future. I think there are a lot of problems, obviously, but our generation is the generation that will solve these problems.
I think you can see the handwriting, right? That students are organizing this event, and I think this makes it special in my view. It's these type of events, they need to come from the students because this is their event, right? And students organizing for students, you could feel it, and I think what really impressed me is the quality of the organization.
To be here because I heard a lot of good things about the European Business School. I love it to work with the young people, and I think it's very important to see how young people grow up and give them a lot of tips and tricks.
It's been a fantastic experience. I like the setup, the people that I met, and it's really, really interesting topics. I think future leaders need to be open-minded, curious, and always open to learn. And I'm convinced that EBS students do have all these qualities.
I would like to thank all speakers, corporate partners and participants for attending this year's EBS Symposium. I'm sure and I hope that I will meet a lot of you to the 34th EBS Symposium next year, and don't forget, it's not a chance unless you take it.